Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your virtual piano teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel, Gianluca Fronda, pianist and composer, if you're interested in original music and covers. Talking about this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know about yourself by commenting. Tell me when you have started, if you're finding my channel interesting and you're improving your skills also thanks to my videos. And don't forget also to share with your friends if there is anybody interested in piano music, anybody that you know. So now time to go to our lesson. Today it's time for me to play Le Chant du Pâtre, the B2 piece on page 7 from the Grade 2 Piano Exam Pieces ABRSM 2021-2022. This is a very rich piece. I should say congratulations to those that have chosen these, not because the other ones are less important, but I consider it really rich, and you can definitely see from the music sheet, full of different dynamics, breathing signs, short or longer phrase marks, many things. Very interesting. Let me play first and then we will talk about the technical elements, and then I will play again at slower speed. Let me hear again now the metronome is a 3/4. We are in G major. 1, 2, 3. Et voilà, really nice. I like it. Not easy thinking that you are maybe very young, due to many reasons. The first one, for example, the semiquavers. Yeah. As soon as possible, I will publish one tutorial where I will explain how all my life I've been treating the semiquavers. And how to empower the semiquavers, obviously empowering your fingers, empowering the strand, finger strand. In this case, luckily the piece is not that fast and you don't have that many. But anyways, I can start introducing the concept. You should apply something that I call rhythmical variations. You should change the rhythm of these very even, obviously, semiquavers in many ways. I have a package of 10 rhythmical variations that I will be teaching you shortly. Just to start introducing, let's look 1 second in my fingers. So the notes are E, D, C and D that I will be treating. So from very even semiquavers you can get now the first one longer, 3 times the length of the second, and the same will be for the third, 3 times the length of the fourth. So you consider in couple. Let's look again at the music sheet. So this rhythmical variation works on a single couple that obviously you iterate. You play many times. You could even play 4 times this block, yeah, if you would need. So the first one becomes 3 times the length of the second. Will be the same in this couple. The first one 3 times the length of the second, in this way. So And you can, if you want to empower even more, you can do it 4 times. Then the second rhythmical variation is the inversion of this one. So the first one is 1/4. Yeah, let's consider 1 second the couple. The second one now is the one that is 3 times the length of the first. So this one only 1/4, this one 3/4 of the total length. In this way, and let's try maybe to play 4 times this block. Maybe for now let's stop at these first couple of the 10 rhythmical variations that I will definitely be explaining as soon as possible. If you try to apply this method on all the semiquavers, playing obviously not only one block of 4 but 4 at least, you will anyways get something interesting, because if you have no experience, if you're simply playing for studying these pieces, you know, for the exams, and you are not really into the keyboard, one of those that plays many pieces, that have been studying for a long time, applying also, let's say, studying every day interesting technical exercises, doing daily workout, it's obvious that your fingers are not that strong and they are quite weak, and you could definitely be in trouble by when you will face the semiquavers. Start applying these 2 rhythmical variations, that they can definitely start helping you. Obviously, in case you want to discover more, feel free to comment and I will be happy to explain much more. Then, let's start analyzing now these breathing signs. You see, it seems that the composer is telling you to breathe. Exactly, I don't know if you have any idea of the music sheet used by singers. They have to write also when they have to breathe. It's quite interesting that here is used the same, let's say, way. So he's suggesting you to breathe here. But why? Because this is the main theme. Here is it's starting again. Here you might consider a kind of new breath, but the composer is suggesting you, I believe he's the composer, I don't know if it's an editorial decision. Anyways, he's suggesting you to breathe here, but imagine that here there is anyways a short breath as well, yeah? Then another one here, because something is happening, yeah? The melody is passing to the left, exactly like here. Indeed, I will clarify a few more important things. Again, one more breath, one more here, and then you go up to the end. Let's indeed analyze the way the melody is moving. In the first line is in the right hand, you carry on with the melody in the right hand, is now moving down. Indeed, there is this French expression, on the horse. You have to obviously consider that this is the part that has to be the brightest one, so has to come out and has to be, let's say, brighter and louder, slightly louder than the right. Don't forget the ritardando. Then the melody goes back to the right, and now expressive the left hand, because indeed the melody is definitely in the left, yeah? Okay. Here let's maybe consider both, or of equal intensity, of equal importance. The melody back to the right, and back to the right, I mean, will be in the right up to the end. Mind all the expression marks, this mezzo forte, this diminuendo. There are so many changes that makes it really interesting and exciting. Now I want to play it slower. I will play at, let's say, 50. Let's see if it works, to help you checking even more. And now maybe I take it off. Only 1/4. I will, no, without the metronome, yeah? Will be obviously quite flexible, because for me it's quite hard at the moment to playing slowly. Joking. So, 1 and 2 and 3 and yes, okay. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 and stop. While playing, I was remembering a very important thing, that maybe if it's the first time that you face the semiquavers, you have to help yourself counting the semiquavers. And let's try to understand. I have already mentioned many times in some of the previous videos, but let's clarify also now if you have never watched any of my videos. So the simple fact that we have, imagine that we don't have any semiquaver, that you have simply quavers. The simple fact of having quavers invites you to count 1 and 2 and 3, and you will see that is definitely useful here. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Yeah, you divide each count in 2 equal parts. And then as soon as you face the quavers, the first one will fall on the number, in this case the 3, and the second one on the end. But now, since you have semiquavers, you can add one extra word or small vowel. You can say, for example, A, and we can do 1 A and A. Obviously, being careful that each of them is 1/4 of the length of the count, or each of them is half the length of the half count. In practice, it will be 1 and 2 and 3 and 1A and A2 and 3, and I repeat 1A and A2 and 3, and coming again from the previous, and I will be playing up to the third bar, and then we stop. So again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1A and A2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. I've played up to the fourth. Okay, so if you count constantly in this way, whenever you have the semiquavers, you won't be wrong. Okay, so help yourself in all the possible ways. I hope I have explained everything. I hope that I didn't miss any important thing. In case, just let me know by commenting. Anyways, yes indeed, keep me updated, let me know how you are studying this piece, if you are improving your skills also thanks to my videos. And don't forget to subscribe, please, and to spread the voice and let your friends know, your friends that are studying piano, that there is also my channel where they can learn something interesting maybe. So anyways, see you in the next video, and thank you very much for today. All the best.